Now children, next chemical property, chemical reaction of alkynes is reaction with water, right? Reaction of ethyne with water. This is showing bonding structure of water, presence of cation and anion in water, right? Which cation is present in water? H plus. And which anion is present in water? OH minus, right? After hydrolysis, then formation of two ions. And this is bonding structure of ethyne. Okay. Children, hydrocarbons, although hydrocarbons are insoluble in water, right? Because like dissolves like. Hydrocarbons are non-polar products. But in specific conditions, like in the presence of mercuric sulfate, this Hg2 plus is coming from HgSO4, mercuric sulfate, and dilute sulfuric acid at high temperature, then reaction is possible. Then this addition reaction is possible. But in normal conditions, does not. Right? Now children, what happens on addition reaction of ethyne with water molecule? Formation of unsaturated alcohol. Here OH group is attached with double bonded carbon atom. This is ethanol. Ethene is CH2, double bond CH2. But this product is ethanol, unsaturated alcohol. Ethanol is unstable. Then what happens? Tautomerism. Tautomerism, it means self-rearrangement. Tautomerism is one type of isomerism. Here what is written? Isomerization, rearrangement in ethanol and formation of more stable product, which is aldehyde CH3CH2. Same molecular formula C2. Molecular formula of this ethanol is C2H3 and the OH group is present here, right? The rearrangement of this product having same molecular formula in different forms. In different form means here functional group is different. This is aldehyde group. CHO is aldehyde group, right? Same formula C2H3 and total hydrogen atoms 1, 2, 3. 3 hydrogen. OH group is present here. In this case C2S3 and CHO. Right, just rearrangement 3 plus 1 4, 3 plus 1 4. Okay, 2 carbon atoms and this here hydrogen is written in terms of aldehyde group. Formula is same. Total 2 carbon atoms, 4 hydrogen atoms, 1 oxygen atom, but here oxygen is written in terms of aldehyde group. What is aldehyde group? R CHO. Right? What is alcohol group? Alcoholic group means OH is attached with hydrocarbon. This is the difference between aldehyde group and alcoholic group. Although in each case one oxygen atom is present. Okay children, this part is important. Tautomerism or self-rearrangement in ethanol and formation of ethanol, right? It means conversion of ethyne into ethanol by which reaction? By addition of water molecule in specific conditions. In specific conditions, right? Now children, second member of alkyne family is propyne. CH3 triple bond C H. Bonding structure of propyne, right? Addition of same type of molecule, which is water molecule. Same conditions, experimental conditions or reaction conditions are same, right? Mercuric sulfate, sulfuric acid, and at 333 Kelvin temperature, then addition reaction occurs. But in this case, this is asymmetric. Unsymmetrical, it means this triple bonded carbon is attached with hydrogen and this one with alkyl group, and addition reaction occurs only at unsaturated carbon atoms, right? At which carbon no hydrogen or less hydrogen present? Second carbon. Then apply Markovnikov rule. Negative part of water, which is OH minus. OH minus part goes to second carbon. This is showing attachment of OH group at second carbon. and hydrogen to first carbon. Conversion of CH into CH2, right? Or triple bonded system into double bonded system. So nature of product is same. Unsaturated alcohol from ethyne, unsaturated alcohol from propyne, but IUPAC name of this unsaturated alcohol is propinol 2. Propinol 2, right? Why propinol 2? Because it's second carbon. This is second carbon. 1, 2, 3. Its IUPAC name is propinol 2. At second carbon OH group is attached. Then what happens? Isomerization or tautomerism and formation of stable product. Here stable product is ketone. Like this. Stable product is CH3, right? Proton shifting, hydrogen ion shifting occurs. Then conversion of CH2 into CH3. And then what is left here? Only oxygen, and this is carbonyl group. C double bonded O is carbonyl group, and this is ketone, right? And IUPAC name of this ketone, this functional group is propanol 2. Okay children, bonding structure of this product. This as propanol 2, like this, CH3C, double bond O and CH3. Common name is acetone, IUPAC name is propanol, right? What is important part in this addition reaction? Tautomerism. Tautomerism or sulfur rearrangement and formation of more stable product. Children, this chemical property is very important. This is showing conversion of hydrocarbon, conversion of alkynes into carbonyl group. Carbonyl group containing functional groups. What is carbonyl group? This C double bond O group is carbonyl. Right, in each case, either in aldehyde or ketone. In this group also, CO group is present, like this. R bonding structure, this CO group is carbonyl. Okay, children? The importance or significance of this addition reaction.